In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit your pay details on Gusto Payroll. Whether you're updating your bank information or simply double-checking your details, knowing how to navigate Gusto Payroll is essential for ensuring you get paid correctly and on time. So, let's dive right in and make sure your pay details are up to date. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're on the home page, look towards the bottom left of your screen. Here, you'll see the name of your company. Click on your company name to proceed. This step is crucial as it takes you to your main dashboard where all administrative tasks can be managed, including updating your pay details. Once you've clicked on your company name, you'll find yourself on a new page with several options. What you're looking for next is the Plan and Billing section. Click on this to continue. It's important to remember that this area contains sensitive information about your payment plan and billing settings, so handle it with care. Now that you're in the Plan and Billing section, scroll down until you see the option to edit your bank account. This is where you can make the necessary changes to your pay details. If you need to update your bank account information, click the Edit button next to your current bank details. You'll want to ensure that all information entered is both current and accurate. Double-check the routing number and account number to avoid any payment mishaps. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save them before exiting this screen. It's easy to navigate away without hitting save, so double-check to ensure that your updates are securely recorded in the system. This will prevent any disruption in your payroll processing. And there you have it. Editing your pay details on Gusto Payroll is straightforward once you know where to look. Regularly updating your information helps to ensure that your payments are processed smoothly and without any delay. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions, Gusto's support team is always a good resource. They can provide additional assistance if needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your payroll and other administrative tasks. If you found this video useful, share it with your coworkers to help them stay informed as well. See you in the next video.